Do you have a habit of spending too much time on social media? However, devoting additional attention to it will simply result in wasted time. Why not put your time to good use and earn money online? You don't have to be concerned because this takes no prior knowledge or experience. Are you looking forward to learning more about it? Then keep an eye on this video. Who wouldn't want to see $10 or more in their PayPal or bank account several times a day? Although $10 or $20 may appear small, when accumulated over time, they add up to a significant sum of money per day. Not only that, you'll be able to cash it out right away, and you'll be paid via a variety of methods including PayPal, bank transfers, and more. This website that I'm about to show you requires zero investment and is definitely 100% free. Sounds really good. And if you're from the other side of the world, there is no need for you to worry since this website is open to different countries from all over the world. Alright, let's begin with the tutorial. Make sure to always keep an eye on every detail in this video. The very first thing that I want you to do right now is to head over to enrollapp.com. When you're already on the website, you will see a quote that says, "Let's make the web a better place." You don't have to worry and doubt because it is a 100% legit company that is taking a toll on the internet. This is also a great way and opportunity to make money. I will go on and proceed by sharing the step-by-step process for you to generate a decent amount of money online. As mentioned earlier, all that you need to do is to head over to enrollapp.com. Once you're on the website's homepage, what you will do is click on this green button that says Sign In. If this is your first time using the website, simply put your email address and create a strong password. Then click on the Sign In button. The process is very simple, but before you will be able to create the free account, you need to first check your email and click on the verification link that was sent to your email inbox. You can easily activate your account by clicking on the verification link in your email inbox. Once you log in, you can actually see your mission progress. Since I log in using a completely new account, my progress here is 0%. But after you finish each mission here, the little count will go on from left to right, and it will be moving to the right as you start on doing progress. And when you complete more projects and missions, you will continue to progress, and not only that, you will be able to get extra cash prizes and even bonus money. These are just some of the reasons why I would suggest this website to beginners, since it is an easy-peasy thing to do, and there's absolutely no investment needed. Keep on watching as I show you how you can double or even triple your earnings here. Remember to not miss any part of this video. If you go back to the website, you will notice in your dashboard when you scroll down, you will see here how many poll questions have you answered. You'll notice on your dashboard when you scroll down below, for example, this one, have you ever shopped for clothes online before? You need to answer it simply with a yes or no. If you click on yes, you will then see here how did you stack up, and it shows a statistic of the surveys and percentage of those that click on yes or no. You don't have to pay attention to it. What you will do is click on continue after you finish another poll question, and then your polls located at the upper left corner will eventually go from 0 to 20 depending on the polls that you have answered. Note that it is really important to answer this poll question for you to generate money. The more polls you answer, the chance of earning more will also be great. You will also be earning bonus money from here. Given the demographics that you have, the website will make it easier for you to receive more missions that are based on your interest, and it will leave you in making and generating more money. You can see here that my points right now went back to being low, simply because I am using a completely brand new account that is intended for this tutorial. The next tip to earning through this website is to click on the achievements right here on the left side in your dashboard. You will be able to see your progress. Here you can see that I was able to earn one badge by simply answering the polls. This will then be my first mission. It says here, Welcome to Mission 1, Earth. So, what you will do now is that you need to follow these instructions to take the test and answer the poll question. You need to be active, which means that you need to log into your account every day so that you can earn extra points. If you do it for 30 days in a row, you will be able to finish your mission number 1. If you repeat the same thing, or if you keep doing more posts, you can go from left to right and you will see all the badges that you earned. The more badges simply indicate that you will also be getting more points and bonus money. If you want to make double or triple money, take this tip that I'll be giving you. When you log into your account, you have to click on this arrow button right here, and then you just click on this task preference. And then you will be able to see test preferences. Make sure that your profile is up to date. You don't even need to worry because your response will be kept private and confidential. Note that on the device that you can test, I want you to select all of these 3 devices. Click on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Why choose these 3? It's because the more devices that you choose, there will be more tasks that you can do, and there will be more posts that you can answer, which simply means one thing: you will also be gaining more and more money. Now let's head over to the testing availability. You will be asked what is the best time for you to receive the test. Now I want you to select Send Me Tests as soon as possible. When you select it, you will be sent more tasks inside your account. Also, don't forget to select the Send Me an Email when I qualify for a test. You can even put your phone number as well to get a notification if there is a new test available for you. It's so easy to do, right? Now if you want to earn more, just do this all over and repeat for as many times as you can. All you need to do is focus on your progress and finish each mission. By doing so, you will be getting more and more points while earning more badges. You'll see your progress grow from 0 to 90 or even 100. You just have to be patient and consistent in doing this, and you will not regret it once you start earning. Just don't stop and enjoy the process.